welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittney-Kay. This is my boyfriend Nathan, who is also a YouTuber. Make sure you check him out. I will have his ads and links in the description box below. If you're wondering why I look like complete crap right now, it is because, what are we doing today?
First of all, you don't look like crap, you're beautiful. But we are going to be bobbing for apples, and is this going to be a competition?
Apples, yes,
so,
of course it is.
I guess the way we're going to do it is...
We each have our own bag.
Yeah, whoever gets the most in what, a minute, 2 minutes? What do you want to do?
Yeah, I think a minute. Or do you think it'll be too easy if it's a minute? How hard is it to bob for apples? I've never bobbed for apples.
I don't think I have either. I don't even like apples.
What if you are allergic and we find out now on camera? That would be awesome clickbait. Is it hard to? I don't feel like it would be hard.
I don't know. But
let's do like 40 seconds.
No, let's do, okay, we'll do like 45 seconds.
And we'll see who can get the most. Yeah. We each have our own bag, so it should be the same amount of apples in each bag, right?
Gotta secure the bag.
I just burped. Secure the bag. Okay.
But anyways, yeah, the loser, whoever gets the least amount of apples in 45 seconds has to take a shot.
Yes. I don't know what. Do we still have the crown apple?
Yeah, we got some crown apple.
Okay, so we'll probably have to take a shot of crown apple.
So, let's get it.
Okay, so 1, count yours so we know that it's like the same.
The same amount?
Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5. These apples look so good. 5, 6, 7. How do you not like apples? 8, 9, 10. Oh crap, mine's overfilling.
Way to go. Oh yeah, mine's about to. If I put this one,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11. How many do you have?
2, 4.
Okay, so 11 then? So we each have 11. Yeah, get your phone.
You sure you don't want to do a minute?
I feel like a minute's too long.
Alright.
Right?
So.
Or no?
I mean, not really. 45 seconds is going to be short.
Okay, fine. We'll do a minute. We'll do a minute.
Okay.
I hope y'all can like really see us. Wait, I'm gonna try it and then you tell me if you can see it. Can you see me?
I mean, you can look.
Like my face and the apples?
Look at me. It's like I'm eating your ass.
Oh my god, don't say that. Okay, and we have to put the apples in this bowl with our mouth. So you have to like pick it up in your mouth, put it in the bowl. Pick it up, put it in the bowl.
Do you want to leave the camera the way it is like this?
Let me see.
It looks good like
that.
Go ahead. First of all, I should be doing it for you.
I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay.
Let me know when you're ready. Are you guys ready?
I'm nervous. I've never done this before.
You're leaking everywhere.
That's what she said.
God, I got my socks all wet.
I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Woo. I'm so nervous. What if we tie?
Don't be nervous or you will win.
If we tie, then we'll take a shot.
Okay. Alright.
Ready?
I love you.
Okay. You guys ready?
Okay. So you're doing a minute?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
You gotta press the timer.
Set. Go.
I feel like I'm drowning.
My socks are soaking wet. I got my dog. Look, it's still losing my water. Take a
It's
shot.
not fair.
My socks are soaked.
It's not fair. I was laughing the whole time.
That's a minute.
No, I was laughing the whole time. That's not fair. Oh my god, I felt like I was drowning for real. Like it gives you the sensation of drowning.
We need to get like, we should have set up a super
We need a rematch.
camera right here, like for a super like slow-mo like effect, cause like I feel like when I went in there I was like ooh, like, I could not breathe. Right?
I was trying to laugh and do it at the same time.
And then I was trying not to throw up cause I hate it. So we're losing.
Okay,
You gotta take a shot.
no, double or nothing. Double or nothing.
My ass.
Double or nothing. If I lose again, then I'll take 2 shots.
Alright, so we're doing round 2? Double or nothing?
Yeah.
You're a cheater. See, she can't take an L.
I didn't know what to expect. And then I was trying to laugh and it's like going up my nose.
I know.
Okay, round 2, we're getting up close and personal, guys. We really want y'all to see our ugly faces that we make while we're trying to do this. Don't be judging me though. All right, are you ready? 1 minute.
On your marks, get set, go. Damn it.
Don't make me laugh.
I can't see.
I can't breathe. Shit. No, I was done, but mine fell on the table. I was done, but mine fell on the table.
I had one that fell on the table too.
Where?
I already picked it up with my mouth, no hands. Got proof.
What?
Evidence.
Oh my god, I didn't even know. No,
Nice.
you're cheating.
You lost.
You're
Fair and
cheating.
square.
You're trying to kill me.
Hey, a deal is a deal. A bet is a bet.
You cheated. You said I cheated.
Did not cheat.
Technically, I won. If that apple hadn't fallen out, I would have won. Because when I was on my second one, you had like 4 still
I hear a
left.
lot of excuses. Look, I dropped the apple clearly and the people saw, and I went and I was about to grab it with my hand and I was like, shit. So I went and I grabbed it and did it the right way and still won. So here we have it, crown apple right here. 2 shots since you lost twice. Could have just took 1, but you just had to play again, huh?
I would have won the second time. Not too much. That's good. That's good. That's good.
That's the shot. I love you.
Don't make me do it.
You have to, man. You have to. Guys, give this video a thumbs up.
We're taking one for the team.
Leave
2.
a comment because your girl's gonna be hurting. So
Subscribe to my channel. It's the least
Yeah.
you can do.
I know. Let's restart.
I haven't even ate today.
You gotta be hurt. Guys, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see Brittney take a shot. I know I do. She lost twice, so we got 2 shots coming in. Do your thing. Do your thing.
I ain't no bitch, so whatever.
3, 2, 1. Got another one back to back.
Woo!
Go. You can't take breaks.
Yes, I can. I never drink Crown.
Say it with your chest.
Oh, that put some hair on my chest. Is what it did.
It's kind of like me now. Alright, you stalling out here.
Do I have to take 2?
Yes, you lost. I told you to just take 1 if you would have took the regular first L, but you wanted to go in, double or nothing.
I would have won. And you would have had to been taking that shot. And he hates shots. Like, I'm okay with shots every now and then, but he refuses to take them.
How my eyes red?
Yeah, in the inner corner of this.
Yours are too. Your
Mine
eyes
are red?
super red.
Are they for real?
I think it was that water mixed with the apples.
They don't look red.
I don't know.
I just need a moment to let the other shot go down. You know, so I don't throw up or nothing. Oh, look, 6 Flags Fright Fest.
Look, I'm getting sick. We have season passes. That doesn't even matter.
But if we
Go.
drink a can, they're fake. This is too much.
No, babe. A
Just
deal
a
is a
little
deal.
less.
No, a deal is a deal.
I'm gonna take a shot, but it doesn't have to be this big of a shot. I already took a big one. You want me to be drunk all day?
Listen,
I haven't even ate.
we're about to go eat right now.
You hate me.
I love
What
it.
did I do to you? Wait, I feel like I have to burp. This might take a while. Sometimes it takes a while. No, I really do feel a burp.
I don't believe it.
I feel a burp. Wait.
Just do it. Down the hatch. Nice.
Ugh.
All you have to do is win and you don't have to take shots. Just saying.
I'm about to shoot you. And I still have to burp. I told you I had to burp.
It smells like
Such a
ground
good.
dookie
Such
booty.
a good. Alright, love bugs. Thank you so much for watching. We actually had a lot of fun doing this. It was a
Yeah.
really good idea. It was
a good
my
one.
idea.
My eyes do burn though.
Yeah, mine kind of do too from getting in the water. I thought I was drowning. Like the water was going up my nose.
I know, I was like, we definitely gotta do the slow motion clips of that. I was like, whoa. That's
Okay.
how I was.
Give this video a thumbs up for me, please. I just took 2 shots and I hate Crown. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love bugs. Oh, and also leave us comments down below on what other challenges you want us to do.
Yeah.
Halloween themed, kind of like that, you
Because
know?
October is our month. Halloween is my shit. Like, we're going to haunted houses. We're doing, like, the whole, what are we
Shebang.
doing?
We're doing the haunted houses. We're doing Halloween food, like mukbangs.
I guess.
Right, mukbangs. We're gonna do haunted house vlogs. We're gonna do like Halloween makeup tutorials.
Everything.
Everything.
The whole shebang.
So make sure you have my notification bell on, and I will see you guys in my next video.